Furniture can be ridiculously expensive, right? It's like you want to furnish your entire home with style and elegance, but before you know it, you're staring at a price tag that's way out of your budget. And it's not just the cost, it's also the limited options you have. You either go for something cheap and trendy that'll probably fall apart in a few months, or you splurge on something high-end that's way beyond your means. It's a tough spot to be in, especially if you're someone who's always looking to mix things up and try new designs. Think about it. We're constantly bombarded with social media feeds that showcase these amazing, Instagram-perfect homes, and it's easy to feel like you're just not doing it right. You start to wonder why you can't have that same level of style and sophistication in your own home. But the truth is, it's not about throwing a ton of money at the problem. It's about being creative and resourceful, and that's exactly what DIY furniture hacks can offer. So if you're tired of feeling like you're stuck in a rut, or if you're just looking for some inspiration to refresh your space, then you're in the right place. Let's start with a simple yet impactful hack upcycling old pallets into a unique coffee table. All you need is a few wooden pallets, some sturdy legs, and a few coats of varnish. You can customize it to fit your style, from rustic to modern, and the best part is that it's basically free. Next, we have a hack that'll give your bathroom a luxurious feel without the hefty price tag. By repurposing an old ladder as a towel rack, you can add some serious designer flair to your space. And the best part? It's a total game changer for just a few bucks. Moving on to our next hack, which might just be my personal favorite. Who says you need to break the bank to get a stylish headboard? By repurposing an old door and attaching it to your bed frame, you can create a one-of-a-kind statement piece that's both functional and fashionable. And finally, let's talk about giving your living room a serious upgrade with a DIY sectional sofa. By using a few simple materials like foam cushions, fabric, and a wooden frame, you can create a comfortable and stylish seating area that'll be the envy of all your friends. But before we get to the recap, I want to show you a particularly impressive DIY transformation that'll blow your mind. Check out this before and after of a living room that went from drab to fab with just a few simple hacks. From repurposing an old cabinet as a statement piece to creating a show-stopping gallery wall. This transformation is the perfect example of what's possible when you think outside the box. In just a few simple steps, you can take your home from bland to grand without breaking the bank. The hacks we covered today are not only affordable, but also incredibly easy to execute, even if you're a total DIY newbie. So, what's your favorite DIY hack? Share it with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home improvement tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video for some serious inspiration. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.